guys, I'm Shital. I'm software engineer and a mother of 3 years old toddler. I have joined Roota's course back in October 2018. Before joining Roota's course, I was struggling to search for a job where I can work from home because I was having family responsibilities and I could not walk out of the house. But Roota's course has totally changed my life. After joining the Roota's course, I have created a successful business for myself where I am earning more than $3K per month, and that is a consistent income. With this course, I have helped many of my clients earning $5K in revenue. I have worked with many international clients and they were really high ticket clients. In the Roota's course, there are many lectures, many modules which will help you to scale your skill, as well as they will help you to maintain your business mindset. My favorite module from the Roota's course is a mindset module. Wherever I feel like I'm stuck in anything, or I'm not feeling productive, or I'm dealing with the tough days, I go to that module and I watch all the lectures again. The lectures help me to remember why I have joined the course, what is my goal, and they help me to plan my day in advance. So I'll highly recommend this course to anyone who is watching this video. Go guys, please join for the MMA. This will be the best investment you have ever done in your life. Thank you.